All right, what's up, everybody? It is Thursday, the 29th of January. I already have a shipped order here in my car, and right now we are at Walmart picking up a 3-item $28.75 order that is going on the exact route that I'm taking this shipped order. The shipped order is nothing special. It's only like $7.50 base pay, and we'll see if we get tipped. But the important part here is there's a 12 order bonus on Shipt today. I suspect we will not be doing it. I just kind of have a feeling, because there's no orders out there, and I just kind of feel like it's not going to happen today. I'm glad we got this Spark order. When we finish the Spark and the Shipt, we'll be near-ish to one of the Walmarts, so we'll probably just go camp out there, unless we get some shipped orders that bring us back to the store, which I'm on the schedule for the next 6 hours. No big deal. Either way, I feel like we'll be in okay shape here. All right, we're all loaded up here. I think we'll make this in plenty of time. We got an hour to do the 4 stops. Shouldn't be an issue. So we'll see you at the first one. Hello. Sorry, still bringing this stuff out. I need your passcode when you have a moment.
What?
Should have a passcode for this one. It's a 4-digit number I gotta get from you.
$4494.
4494. Okay.
More?
That's it. Thank you. All right, that was pretty easy-ish. I always find it odd when a customer requests verification and then they're surprised that you need a number from them. Kind of what happened with this guy. Okay, the next one's going to a convenience store. I got notes to go around the back. Spark delivery for you. Is there somewhere you want it?
This one from Sam's?
This is from Walmart.
Walmart? Okay, that's fine. You can leave it here.
Leave it right there. I need a passcode.
Jago! Passcode! Walmart! 2436.
Got it. Those 3 Walmarts are done. Let's go drop the Shipt off. This combination of the Shipt and Spark here worked out excellent. I was less than a mile away from the Shipt drop-off from the last drop-off from the Spark order, so this worked out great. As I suspected, we are not getting any shipped orders. I placed an order for Shipt using my $50 Summit Star reward. expires here in a few days. And I did not see that pop up for me to choose, which it usually does, but it didn't this time. But anyway, that delivered in the next hour window from when I placed it, like with no issue. So, I don't know. They're not sending me orders right now. So, we're going to Walmart to do a $36.42, 19.4 mile, 3 customer drop. I looked at the items. They're all under 20 items. Small, easy, no waters, nothing big. So we're gonna go get that done right now. And I think we're gonna bail on the shipped bonus for today. All loaded up. And 5-mile drive to the first place. We'll see you there. Hello? Hi. Yeah, where you been? You called? On the phone? Nah. That didn't happen. Oh. Hang on, I'm in the middle of a important delivery here. Got some paper towels here in my hand and a big bag of stuff. What are you doing? Oh. What can I do for you? Yeah, I know. I've liked that. That's been kind of funny. Well, I'm definitely not trying to do that. I guess I am, though. Yeah. All right, hang on 30 seconds. Okay, hold on. Ah. All right, hold on, let me switch you over to the car phone. Two drops down. This one's where all the miles are. So we got a 10-mile drive to this last drop. So we'll see you there. On our way back to Walmart, I got a 2919 8.4 mile shopping order. I think it said 31 items. They're all packaged items. There's no produce. There's 1 case of water. This should be fast. It says 50 minutes. I don't think it's going to take 50 minutes at all. We're heading back to the store. We'll knock the shopping out and get it done in under 50 minutes, I'm thinking. shopping's all done. Not too bad. I still really don't like the way that Walmart Spark routes you through this store. They had me going back and forth for items and it just didn't make any sense. Like, let's go through the aisles and let's go through the outside, or do the outside first to come through the aisles and end near the cashiers.
Stop sign, turn right onto Middle Ridge Road.
So I feel like I wasted like 5 minutes there because of that. And when I came in, I went and did the toothbrush and the chapstick right away because that's on the other side of the store. I just think that they would want to improve that because it wasn't like a perishable thing either, because I already had a perishable in the cart. So why would you have me do that and then waste time going back and forth? Didn't make any sense. Back at Walmart. It's got a $30.11 two-customer shopping order. It started off at $25.11 and I just kept watching it go up. Went up to 30 and I kind of figured I would grab it now because I don't think it's gonna stay around. And it didn't because I grabbed it. Pulling back into Walmart here, we'll go shop for it. Remember looking at the items, seemed easy. We should be able to knock this out pretty quick. The whole shop and deliver part of it said 50 minutes. I feel like we can maybe get it done a little faster than that, so we shall see. All right, did that shopping right away. First two things I looked for, they didn't have. Some mushrooms and coleslaw, which coleslaw is disgusting, but that's besides the point. Both people actually wanted the same mushrooms, and then customer A like immediately rejected the replacements. So I just picture her doing that angrily and cursing me for being a male shopper. But what can I do about that? Nothing. So we'll have to continue our journey forward here. Forgot to record. There it is. All done. All right, I drove back by Walmart and I was going to just go home, but we got a offer that came through, $33.30 for one customer, 9.5 miles going back towards my house. We're gonna go do it. It was like 30 items. It was easy. There's no waters, nothing like that. And even if there was, I don't care. It's going home. It's a good way to end the day. It was like a $15 tip. We'll take it. If they give us those, we gotta take them. So we'll see you at Walmart. I don't even know how many orders I've done today. I've been busy. I don't think I've really had a time where I was down. So I won't be surprised if, I mean, we're probably near at least 150, and we really only worked from 10 o'clock, 9:30 we got out. Yeah, it was 9:30 we were at Walmart. It's 2:30 now, so about 5 hours ish. So it'll be 5.5 about, I would say. Okay, we'll see you there. A couple minutes away from the last customer of the day. Pretty easy shopping. Again, just to highlight, I had like 7 items left. I'm in aisle A8, okay? I do a couple items in A8. It sends me over to A2, which is, you know, 3 aisles over, basically. Then it's for hot dog buns. I grab the hot dog buns, and then it sends me back to A6, the one right next to A8.
Where are you?
I'm in a glass case of emotion!
What sense does this make? What world is Walmart Spark operating in? Why are they doing this like that? And then right away, they have me go get baby carrots. It was an everything salad mix. So the perishable clock starts right off the rip. And then I get all the meats along the one outer wall, the dairy and stuff. And we do all of the dry food, like pasta and stuff. We do all of that at the end. Didn't make any sense. I'll go in there another day and it'll be the complete opposite. So yeah, I don't think they got it together. Or if somebody knows, I would love to know the reasoning for why it does it the way that it does, because I'm sure it does the same thing that people who are shopping. The curbside orders that the Walmart employees are shopping for, I'm sure it's doing something similar, at least to what we're seeing when we go do the shopping too. We got stopped by a train. They got us. I think we had a pretty good day. No bonuses or promos or anything like that. So that'll do it for me. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good time. I know I did. And if you did, please consider hitting the like button. Hit the subscribe button. You've made it this far. Why not hit it? And even better, leave a comment down below. Tell me your favorite season of the year. Is it summer, winter, spring, or fall? I'd have to say mine's spring. What's yours? Let me know in the comments down below. And we'll see you next time.